We're in Canada. So, we just landed in Vancouver after a 24-hour transit time. I am exhausted. It's 9 a.m. in my body, but it's 3 p.m. here. What time is it?
5 p.m.
5 p.m. here. It is raining in Vancouver despite it being summer.
Apparently it's not normal.
Apparently it's not normal, so we brought the rain with us.
Lol.
I don't actually mind it though. Lucky I brought a rain jacket because we prepared. Rain jacket and umbrella doing God's work right now in Vancouver.
I'm hungry.
Yeah. Cheers. Fucking love.
If burgers could be like this, I would love it so much.
It's so fresh. What better way to fight excruciating jet lag than with donuts?
Donuts, do nuts.
Good morning from the streets of Vancouver at 6 a.m.
We've been awake since 4.
Been awake since 4. The jet lag is real and we're starving. We're basically starving.
I'm actually like, I could die.
Which means there's only one place open right now and that is Denny's.
Because your girl hasn't eaten breakfast.
Let's go.
I have a fish.
The cop.
Look what we got.
Metropole.
I read Metropolis.
Day 3 here in Vancouver. We've beaten our jet lag. We're gonna go get brekkie now, and the plan for today is to hire a bike, ride around Stanley Park, find some cool neighborhoods, go shopping, that kind of stuff. So, let's go.
I'm waiting for my call. You guys like my necklace that I made myself?
I do.
Look, help me choose.
How are you feeling?
We went up that hill. I'm good. We don't even need to go to the gym, dude.
We're going to Main Street now. I don't even know what suburb it is.
I have no idea where we are.
Same, but it's in the burbs.
It's so cute.
And yeah, we're going to go thrift shopping and maybe not cafe hunting because we just have had a lot of liquid.
I should get more. Can I have one
Maybe we
lemonade?
could do like a matcha or
Can I have
something.
the lemonade?
Lemonade holder.
No, matcha. Too many milks. I could do like a kombucha.
I can't relate. Alright, we biked this many kilometers today and now we're wrecked. So
My legs are gonna fall off.
we're heading back now. We're gonna put our legs up, rest, shower, and then tonight we're checking out maybe the West End area for dinner. We might hire a car, so see you then.
It's Sunday. Like Baird ones for $26, and the money goes to supporting women affected by domestic violence.
What donut are you getting?
I want one that's like in The Simpsons with like a pink and
Oh yeah.
Pringles.
That's all, thank you. It's good?
Yeah, the sprinkles are really crispy.
Oh, we like that.
And it's not too sweet.
Yeah, the honey, the honey dip, which is the classic.
You're my honey dip.
Oh, yeah, look at that. Look at that, you guys.
Scrumptious. No maple? Is it good? How good's the base? Look at that.
It's exactly like a Krispy Kreme, but in like the best
Healthy.
way. It's the chocolate glaze one,
Okay.
double chocolate. It's a cake donut, which I prefer.
Ew.
Shit. That is f***ing good. I could do a beer after this.
That one's like
Okay, you can have that. Like it's fishy or?
it's really
Unique New York. With the ginger, it's so good.
I think you'll like that one, and that one. In order. That's good, yeah.
You said I would love the prawn. Ooh,
It's really like milky.
so sweet.
Have it too.
Yeah. Are you joking about this? You'll like that. It's like exactly like